All right, so go to plugins and then you're going to upload new. Click upload, choose file, get this from the attachments area, install now. Click activate plugin, go to purchase code and you're going to enter the code I give you. You're going to open up settings and product pricing, cart discounts, checkout fees. It's going to leave it alone. So go over to settings or promotion, click enable, your price is fine. You saved, I would just leave that blank. Volume pricing table, click yes, and we're going to do buy more and save, add to cart before, add to cart before, inline horizontal discounted price, do not display missing range, display individual pricing tables. Countdown timer, don't do that, customer notifications, just leave that as and click save changes. All right, keep that checked, do not change. Base price is the regular price. Keep that checked. Display all individual discounts, check. Display all individual fees, standard rate. Just leave that as is. And then you're set. Click Save Changes. And that's it.